Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. Let's begin by showing you the pieces that I'm working with. First we have the front left side of the top. It has two pieces, a center and a side. And we also has one piece that goes on the right side of the back. So the top consists of both right side and left side, front and back. There'll be 4 pieces to the front and then there'll be 2 pieces to the back. So I laid the pieces out, so this is what it would look like. I went ahead. These are the exact same pieces. What I did was I went ahead and just joined them together. So I joined the both front pieces, which is these 2 pieces, I joined them together. And the back piece, I joined it together. So this is what one side of the front is going to look, and this side, when I pinned it together, it's also going to look like that side. So that will be either the left or right side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and stitch the 1/2 inch seam allowance exactly where I placed the pins. I'm also going to do the same to this section here. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here I have what the both front pieces would look like. So one is the left and one is the right side. This is what it looks like after I've joined the 2 pieces together. Keep in mind the front has 4 pieces. There's 2 center pieces and 2 side pieces. So this is what it looks like. This is the other side of the front. What I did, I placed the bias facing all the way to the top bust area. I also place, this is the piece that goes to the back. There's 2 pieces, one's going to be here, one's going to be here. So this is one side. You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. I place the back piece on, I'm going to go ahead and stitch it down. Then I'm going to go ahead and continue the bias all the way, the edge of the front and the back. So I'm going to do the same thing with both front sides of the top. Then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So this is what the top looks like joined together with the front and the back. Like I said before, there were 4 pieces to the front, and to the back there's 2 pieces. So this is what it looks like. And this, I have stitched down the edging. So here I'm going to turn it over to the right side. And this is the top. Now there are options with this. This top that I'm doing does not have a liner right now, and the reason why it doesn't have a liner because it's the top part of a dress. So the dress is going to go, the skirt for the dress is going to go not too low under the bust. So that's the reason it doesn't have a liner. If you're going to use it as a top, then you should go ahead and place a liner, and I have videos on my channel that shows how to do the liner. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead, for the sake of the video, and put another bias line into the bottom, and I'm going to flat stitch down the fold over, which is 1 inch and 1.5 inches on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like.